they going?
Embarrassing team.
Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. You're on Lower Broadway, the Honky Tonk Highway. Alcohol pouring into every cup, music pouring out of every window, the party spilling out onto the street every night, and everybody out here is the star of their own show. Tonight, we're counting down Nashville's craziest tourists.
Welcome to Nashville. Wait, what street are we on?
Where you at?
I've never been here before.
We're on Broadway.
Broadway Street. Welcome to Broadway Street.
Nashville's craziest tourist moments.
Out here, party buses, party trucks, party plows, and pedal taverns are just part of the ecosystem. And just because the party's on wheels doesn't mean it's any less crazy. But our next clip takes it to a whole new level. Number 10 is a busload of bad decisions. And they're not alone. This street is full of rolling bad ideas every night. Dear rest of the world, thank you for sending your girlfriends and wives to us. Love, Nashville. You see some crazy things on Broadway. People dancing in traffic, or arguing with a hot dog, or screaming, "Nashville, baby!" at absolutely no one. But every now and then, somebody has a night so big they lose track of the basics. This is the girl who stopped, looked right at me, and asked what year it is. Number 9 is the Time Traveler.
Hey, Nashville! What year is it? 2035? Hey!
What year is it?
2035? Hey!
You've had yourself quite a time when you don't even know what year Nashville is in. You don't need a stadium in Nashville. One guy in a bar window, and suddenly the sidewalk thinks it's the front row at an arena. The band fires up some old Van Halen, and Broadway reacts like David Lee Roth himself just dropped in. Number 8 is the Sidewalk Superfan. And this is where it turns into a group project. And once one person starts throwing it back like that, it spreads. Broadway will twerk to anything. We'll be right back with more of Nashville's craziest tourist moments. Welcome back to Nashville's craziest tourist moments. While you were watching ads, Broadway kept getting weirder. Some people come down here in jeans and a t-shirt. Some people show up dressed like they lost a bet. But down here, the dress code is simple. If you can walk in it and you can drink in it, you're good. And then there are the ones who pack a full character in their suitcase. Number 7 is 4 grown men who decided Lower Broadway needed the Ninja Turtles. Heroes in a Half-Pint.
You're good.
These turtles aren't out here alone, though. Some people dress up like their favorite cartoon. Others dress up like their favorite country. Number 6 on our list, the Patriot.
America's the greatest country in the world.
All right.
We love it here.
Awesome.
If you don't like it, leave it. Come on.
Tell them.
Love you, though. Either way, don't matter.
That's awesome, man.
On a scale from quiet admiration to polite golf clap, that man is a 12 out of 10. Some people scream USA at the camera. Some people just scream. Here's a whole pickup truck full of people treating my lens like it's their ex's voicemail. Number 5 is truck trouble. Some cities have rush hour. Nashville has this. And they are very much not alone. Here's some of what passes for traffic on the Honky Tonk Highway. Up next, we'll be getting into some hats you can't wear around your parents, some late-night food cart fun, and one of the most unhinged sidewalk parties I saw all year. Stick around. We'll be right back with more of Nashville's craziest tourist moments. Welcome back to Nashville's craziest tourist moments. Broadway loves a statement hat. Light up hats, cowboy crowns, whatever somebody found on the way out of the airport. But this group took it to a very different place. Number 4 is hat games.
No on the toes? You're thinking about it.
Not exactly the definition of subtle. Speaking of no chill, let's talk about what happens around the food carts once the night kicks in on Broadway. Down here, the food carts don't just feed people. Half the time, they're running a full-blown show. Number 3 is food cart fun. Every corner has one of these. Somebody's cooking, somebody's dancing, somebody's realizing this is the only thing standing between them and tomorrow's hangover.
Nashville! Sexy corn dog! Yo, yo, yo! Sexy corn dog! Yo, yo! Sexy corn dog! Yo, yo! Sexy corn dog!
Once the carts have done their job, people head back out onto the sidewalk. And that's where things go completely off the rails. Once the food kicks in, Broadway really starts testing the limits of public decency. Number 2 on our list is the Bootylicking Sidewalk Party. Just a completely normal moment where total strangers pretend to eat ass on the sidewalk. You know, Broadway. Run that back. None of these people know each other. You cannot script this. We've seen party buses, trucks, hats you cannot wear around family, and now fake public ass eating on the sidewalk. Somehow, none of that beat the single greatest sound I heard on Broadway this year. We'll be right back with more of Nashville's craziest tourist moments. Welcome back to Nashville's craziest tourist moments. Before we get to number 1, let's take a quick look back at some more of the people who made Music City so much fun this year. The dancers that just had to let it out. The people who wave at anything that looks like a camera. The ones who turn every crosswalk into a stage. The folks who clearly told their friends, "Don't let me do anything stupid tonight," and then went ahead and did it anyway. These are the background characters that make Broadway feel like a live-action cartoon every weekend. But out of everyone I filmed this year, one dude still lives in my head rent-free. Not because of what he did, but because of the noise he made. Number 1 is Bobcat Kid. I filmed thousands of people on Lower Broadway this year. Nobody else sounded like this. It makes me laugh every time. That is not a normal human sound. That is pure feral joy trapped in a man on the street. You can see the pure joy in his face as he spots me from a distance being led along by the hand like some combination of toddler and blackout drunk. Then he just lets it all out in one magical guttural Bobcat Goldthwait yell. And he walks into the night. I tell you guys in every list video that it's an exhibition, not a competition. But this one is a competition, and this guy absolutely won it. If you were out here in 2025, thanks for being part of the madness. Whether you were on a party bus, hanging off a pedal tavern, worshipping a hot dog, or just screaming at my camera, you helped make this place what it is. If you think you saw yourself in this video, no you did not. And if you actually did, you're legally required to show this to at least 3 friends. I'm out here on the streets filming all the time. So if you see me in 2026, stop and say hi. You might just end up in next year's highlight video. If you want more of this, hit like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Here's to another year on Broadway.